Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to not get copyrighted on TikTok. So if you don't want to fall in the trap of getting copyrighted, then this video is for you. Alright, so the first step you have to take is, of course, open your TikTok app and log into your account. Next, you have to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Alright, so once you click on that, if you look at the top right corner, you are going to see the three lines. Right, click on that, then select settings and privacy. After that, you have to scroll all the way down until you see terms and policies. Right, this one right here, go ahead and select it. Right, so once you select that, you're going to see the first option, which is community guidelines. Right, so go ahead and select that one. So once that is selected guys, if you don't want to get copyrighted on TikTok, you have to go through all these things right here from start to finish. Right, so you can just scroll and read through everything. Make sure you read and make sure you follow all these things you're seeing right here. Right, so if you don't follow any of these, then you are going to fall in the trap of getting copyrighted. Right, so that's it guys, that's it. Right, so once you're able to follow these community guidelines, you won't get copyrighted on TikTok. So that's it guys. Hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to not get copyrighted on TikTok. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to this channel to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.